think you're done.
I don't. No, okay, I seriously think I'm done. Or not.
You should sit right there because it's lighter. Yeah. Okay, Gabby is laughing really hard at this. Yeah. Don't spit it out, because that would be on camera. Kind of sound like a frog. Oh my god. Is that good? Wait, why are we videotaping me? I don't know what's so funny about me. Think you're done?
Yeah. I think I'm done.
You actually think you're done.
For shizzle. Oh, ew, I just touched it. I think I'm done. Yeah?
I think you are. I'm gonna laugh if we turn off the camera.
Sorry.
I think you're done.
I think I am too.
Ruby, oh my god. I think you're done.
You can turn it off.